FieldPulse is a field service management app that replaces paper job sheets, scattered texts, and manual scheduling with one system built for contractors who run jobs in the field and in the office. The monthly cost only makes sense if it reduces missed appointments, speeds up invoicing, and keeps your team from relying on memory or WhatsApp messages. By the end, you'll know whether FieldPulse is worth paying for, based on how it fits into your workflow, and whether it actually replaces the tools you already use. The core value of FieldPulse is job scheduling that lets you assign work, update statuses, and track progress without calling every technician individually. It also centralizes customer information. So, job history, notes, and past invoices are tied to a single client record instead of being scattered across different apps. For many small service businesses, this reduces the time spent switching between spreadsheets, messaging apps, and accounting tools during the day. Where the monthly fee becomes a real question is when you compare it to how you currently handle those tasks. If your current system already feels organized, the software can feel like an extra layer instead of a necessary upgrade. But if you regularly lose track of jobs, forget follow-ups, or delay invoices, that structure becomes the main reason to use it. A simple way to judge it is to look at how many hours per week you lose to admin work that could be automated. If that number is high, the value of a system like FieldPulse is in replacing that manual coordination with automated workflows. If it is already low, the software may feel unnecessary no matter how many features it offers. So the decision is less about the software itself, and more about how much friction exists in your current process. FieldPulse is designed for teams that want structure, visibility, and faster billing from the same system. If you are evaluating it, the key step is to map your daily workflow first and see what actually breaks without a system in place. That comparison alone usually makes the decision clearer than reading through pricing pages or feature lists. Like and subscribe for more breakdowns of field service tools in plain language without the marketing noise.